right, last day in Montana. We're getting an early start again today. It's about 6 in the morning. I'm out here on Storm Castle Trail, heading up to Storm Castle Peak to get the day going. So I'm going to be doing this hike today, and then afterwards we're going to head over to Big Sky and do Beehive Basin. So I'm starting the day here at Storm Castle Trail, heading up to Storm Castle Peak. It's about a 5-mile hike to the top. It's supposed to have amazing views, so we're just gonna do a normal hiking video and show you all that it has to offer. So far this hike is pretty steep. However, I wouldn't say it's anything undoable or out of this world crazy. You know, it's a pretty steep incline up to the top, but you should be able to manage if you're in somewhat of shape. Took about 2.7 miles to get up here. Not too bad, really good workout. So yeah, it's just a great way to start off the morning. All right, that is the top of Storm Castle Peak. Absolutely amazing views up there. Super peaceful, no wind really at all, which is surprising. So you can imagine it's super quiet, calm, some amazing drone shots, as you can probably see here. But I'm gonna make my way back down to the car and then get going over to Big Sky. All right, that's a wrap on Storm Castle Peak. The hike topped out at 5.2 miles. I'll link it down below for you guys. But yeah, great hike, awesome. So yeah, now we're gonna head back and jump back in the car and head over to Big Sky. All right, we just arrived at Big Sky. The drive-in was fantastic, views all around. So today we're gonna be doing Beehive Basin hike up to a basin with a little lake in between the mountains. So let's get going on this trail and see what we can find, and we'll show you. All right, we made it up to Beehive Basin, as you can see behind me, and the lake. Absolutely amazing views, really peaceful spot, worth all of the hiking. It was about 3.5 miles to get up here, and it'll be another 3.5 to get back to the car. But I'm gonna enjoy a nice snack and drink, and we'll be on our way back down here. So making my way back down, you can see the mountains in the background. It's really one of the most beautiful scenes I've ever really witnessed. I took my time up there, just relaxed and trying to soak it all in. So the hike has a gradual incline up to the lake, but it's nothing crazy. You see kids up here, little kids too, so it's really suitable for pretty much all age levels, I would think. A couple of weeks ago, I didn't even have Montana on my radar, and here we are enjoying this unbelievable scenery. And yeah, I mean, I'm really honestly like speechless. It's just so peaceful and beautiful here. All right, we're just finishing up Beehive Basin. I can see the parking lot, but I can safely say that this was probably the best hike that I have ever done. You just can't really beat it. All of the meadows with the flowers, the trees, the mountains. It's just, it really lives up to the hype of one of the world's best hikes. So if you're ever in Big Sky, highly recommend coming to here. You will not be disappointed. But so yeah, that's gonna wrap up my time here in Montana. I have a flight that leaves tomorrow to go back home. But man, I really can't say enough good things about this place. Montana has definitely opened my eyes. It's just an incredible state. So much to offer if you're into outdoors, just literally everything. So that's gonna wrap it, and stay tuned again for more Pittsburgh content coming in the next couple of weeks. So we'll catch you guys back in Pittsburgh, but from Montana, we'll see you guys.